Hey, welcome Mr. Homeowner. Today we're going to make some breakfast crunch wraps. We're going to have hash browns, eggs, bacon, cheese, all in the Taco Bell Crunchwrap holder there. But let me get some things ready and we'll be right back, start making them up. All right, first we're going to throw down some bacon. We'll put it off to the side. I've got the first 3 burners on and this one's off. And we're doing about medium heat. All right, these guys are done. I'm going to go ahead and move these over. Try to drain them out a little bit. All right, we're going to push them all out of the corner there. And I'm not getting rid of all the bacon juice. All right. Next, we're going to kick the heat up. And throw in some hash browns. These are just great value hash brown patties, frozen. These are going to take a little while. Throw a little pepper on there. And a little salt. All right, these guys are about done. We want to make sure they're crunchy because this is going to be the crunch in our crunch wrap. And they're looking pretty good. So I'm going to move these guys off, clean it up a little bit, and put the eggs on. All right, I had to move my phone because it was overheating. And I turned down the heat on here, but they are cooking pretty quick. Now make sure we get a chance to throw some salt and pepper in here. Ooh, we're going to be able to mix these up pretty soon. All right, so those are done. I have a new thing here. I'm going to throw these on because I don't want to overcook them. All right, Let me get the tortillas, the cheese, everything else we need. Be right back. All right now I'm just heating up the tortilla. Got my new Blackstone cutting board on here. Got the heat at like a medium right now. This one's off. This one's off. Just have the mediums, the middle on here, so I can heat these up. All right. So we're going to start off with one hash brown. Boop. Put it in the center there. Grab some eggs. Woo. Yeah, I don't know, that might be too much. Let's throw some cheese on there. And 2 strips of bacon. All right. I'm gonna top it off with this. We'll try to make it all come together. That is hot. That looks like it might work. Now my arm's in the way, but you'll see here in a second. So that's what we're dealing with. Let me throw it down. All right, these guys are coming along pretty well. That, a little bit of egg. Cheese. Some bacon. I'll get 2 little guys on this one. Top it off with a little 5-inch. Once you heat up these tortillas, they're super easy to fold. A little pressure on it. Pop it down. Move the weight. Flip it over. So these guys, I gotta go get another tray so these guys are done. So let me finish up here with these, and once I'm finished up, make sure all the kids are having all their food and everything. We'll cut one open and see how they look. All right, everybody. Using my handy dandy Blackstone cutting board again. I'll put a link down in the description where you can get one on Amazon. But let's cut one of these open. You hear that? And let me show you guys. So we got the hash browns in there. We got the eggs. We got the cheese melted nice. I think it was cheddar and some bacon. That is great. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me down in the comments there. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody who will make it for you, or you can go ahead and make it. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.